Oh hi, I'm Thomas, and today I'm going to try and fix my Kookum's lawnmower. My Muslim says it's leaking from the bottom, kind of like my Uncle Charlie. But I kind of was watching Red Green, but he does a lot of things with duct tape, and I don't have duct tape. So I looked on YouTube, and what they say for a leaking bottom lawnmower is that we got to change the bottom oil seal. So I looked on YouTube again, because YouTube is good like that. It tells you lots of things that you can do. So we have some tools here I got from my Uncle Charlie. I got a hammer, 2 screwdrivers, and another square screwdriver, and this big screwdriver, or a big wrench, something like that. And an oil seal. Well, the bottom oil seal. At least that's what the guy at the store told me anyway. But yeah, so let's take a look at this thing and see what we can do. Take this off. Oh, that's fun. Off with the blade. Not too sharp, kind of like my cousin Ronnie. If you look in here, I'm trying to take this off. You can see it, it's all mashed up. So that's the old oil seal, and oil was leaking down this thing here. You can see it's all wet. Never mind. $4. Pretty good. They were gonna throw that machine out. And I said, Uncle, Grandpa, Muslim, let me try. So again, looking at YouTube, I'll figure it out. Put that one in there, and then we're gonna just tap it in. Try this now. That's a whole new problem.